guys, it's Laurie Forster, the wine coach here, and I recently got a question on Facebook from Lara in New York City, and she likes to enjoy some red wine at the end of the day, but finds it makes her really tired. She's so sad about that. So she wanted to know what's going on. Why would the red wine make her tired, whereas she doesn't seem to get the same effect from white wine or sparkling wine? So here's the wine coach to the rescue, Lara. Actually, red wine in the winemaking process uses the skins, and the skins have something in it that you might recognize. It's called melatonin. Melatonin you can buy in pill form, as you probably know, to help go to sleep, and people who have trouble sleeping might use melatonin. An average glass of red wine probably has between 60 and 120 nanograms of melatonin, which as you compare to a 1 milligram pill of melatonin, that's 10,000 times more. So it is a very small amount, but there really aren't a lot of studies out there to say whether this is the reason why you're getting tired or just that you've had a really hard day and it's been a long one. I know today's Monday and I am getting ready for my glass of red wine. So if you're finding that red wine is making you tired, I would suggest that you do try this easy switch. Try finding a great glass of white wine that you like. This is actually a French Chablis that is delicious and I'm gonna enjoy this evening. And make notes and compare how you feel when you have your red, when you have your white, and see what happens. One more quick tip, there is a rebound effect with wine and sleep. So wine, maybe a glass or two, might make you feel drowsy and ready for bed. But if you have a little bit more than that, your body will process the alcohol. And then when your body's done with that processing, it's gonna disturb your sleep and wake you up. And that's why if you've ever had a little bit of too much wine at a dinner or party, you wake up a lot earlier than normal. That's why your body processes the alcohol and then it says, okay, time to get up. Anyway, Lara, I hope that tip is helpful. And if you've got any questions about wine, please send them to me on Facebook. My page is called The Wine Coach, or email me, laurie@thewinecoach.com. If you want to get my tips, just text the word wine to 345-345. All right, guys, cheers to your Monday night. I look forward to seeing you online soon.